because beauty's biggest event is here. With daily beauty steals of 50% off the must-haves from brands like Lancome and IT Cosmetics. 21 Days of Beauty has it all. Happening at Ulta Beauty now through September 17th. Plus, discover new launches from Fenty Beauty and REM Beauty. So give yourself that new beauty feeling. You deserve it. Shop in-store, online, or try pickup today. Ulta Beauty. The possibilities are beautiful.
I thought learning a language was fun.
Babbel's lessons only take 10 or 15 minutes. And in 3 weeks, you can actually speak another language. Como si fuera magia.
Babbel isn't robots. You learn words and phrases from real native speakers. I was ready for real-life conversations in just a few weeks. So easy.
Go to Babbel.com to try for free. That's Babbel.com. Babbel.com. Finding great candidates to hire can be like, well, Recruiter. Its powerful technology actively finds and invites qualified candidates to apply to your job. So while other companies might deliver a lot of hay, ZipRecruiter finds you the needle in the haystack.
See why 4 out of 5 employers who post a job on ZipRecruiter get a quality candidate within the first day. Try ZipRecruiter for free at ZipRecruiter.com/free. That's ZipRecruiter.com/free.
Big day morning. Wake up with Gray.
That is normal?
That is normal.
997 now.
Big Bay Morning, home of the love trap. So Violet says that her boyfriend's been staying overnight in the city after work meetings, even though they live in San Jose. So why isn't he just making the commute back home? Well, she's afraid that he might not be sleeping alone in San Francisco. We're gonna get to the truth next in the love trap. Things haven't been quite the same. The haze on the horizon, babe. It's only been a couple of days and I miss you. Nothing really goes to plan. Everything I can to help us get through. If you're feeling down, I just wanna make you happier, baby. With flowers around, I just wanna make you happier, baby. We've been doing all this late night talking about anything you wanna. Now you're in my life. I can get you off my mind. Never been a fan of change. Hollywood or Bishopsgate, I'm coming to. If you're feeling down, I just wanna make you happier, baby. Wish I was around, I just wanna make you happier, baby. We've been doing all this late night talking about anything. I can get you off my mind. Can't get you off my mind. Can't get you off my mind. Can't get you off my mind. Even try. Talking about anything you wanna. I can get you off my mind. Talking, can't get you off my mind. Talking, even try. Talking, can't get you off from all this late night talking. Yeah. That sinking feeling that something's off in your relationship.
What? What do you have to say now?
The Big Bay Mornings team uncovers the truth. Bay Area cheaters, beware. I don't think that's healthy at all. Not at all. Benny, Nikki, and Greg are setting the love trap on 99.7 now. Violet steps into the love trap this morning. What's going on, Violet? Why are you worried about your boyfriend?
Hi, oh my god, when do I even begin? Lately, he's been going more often, and he usually only goes sometimes.
Goes to the city for what?
For work. Goes to the city for work.
Okay. And where do you live?
Yeah, okay.
Oh, yeah. That's a trap.
And I asked him, hey, like, why are you going more often? Like what's going on? And he's telling me that, he's just been having more, like, work meetings, and
Is it possible that his job is requiring him to go in more?
according to what he's telling me, they're making them go in, like, more than they used to be because of the pandemic. But I don't know, it's just something's wrong because he's been staying there as well, and he's never done that before.
What do you mean, staying in the office?
No, he's staying in hotels. You know, he's staying in hotels.
Well, this is way different.
Okay, yeah.
So he's going up on a Wednesday and staying the night type of thing?
Yeah, just like staying the night for, I don't know, like,
So you guys live in San Jose. He's having to come in once in a while for a meeting, this, that, yada, yada, yada. But then he's not driving back just to San Jose, San Francisco?
exactly.
Because of what reason?
He says that they've been having, like, after, like, the work meetings, they go out for dinner, drinks. So he doesn't want to drive back home. But it's like, I've never heard of these, like, going out dinners after work meetings before. This is, like, the first time that I hear about this, and it's just a little weird to me.
I mean, it could make sense if he is drinking and needs to stay in the city, but if you are in a relationship, you do not need to be getting drunk after work.
Yeah, and it's been happening more often. When can you just drive back from work? You don't have to go out every single time you go.
Well, yeah, and even if you do go to dinner with your coworkers, you don't have to drink to the point where you can't drive home.
Exactly.
Totally understand why you're calling. Sounds super sus to us.
Well, it also sounds expensive.
That part.
Well, he's actually, according to him, his boss,
There's no way.
Get out of here.
This isn't like a business trip where and you would pay, my company would pay. He's coming up here for a meeting.
No, that's not a thing.
How did you find out that the company was paying for these trips up?
well, I asked him because I looked at him and I was like, why are you spending the night there, paying for, like, a room every single night? Like, that's unnecessary. You can come back home. And he tells me that the company's paying and that it's at no cost. And the way I found that out is because I got mad at him and I told him to show me some receipts, like, show me receipts of you staying at the hotel. And his response was, oh, I don't have them. The company paid for it.
So you think that he met someone in the city and that's who he's hanging out with? Going to dinner?
Yeah, I think that there's something because this is just a little weird.
Yeah, maybe he's not even going to the city.
Ooh.
True.
Gosh, the lies.
You just don't know it.
Oh, no. Don't make it like that.
Well, I don't know. Right next door.
Okay. Jeez. Let's help this. Let's help her out.
All right. Yeah, we don't mean to joke. Here's what we'll do, Violet. We'll play a song. When it's over, we'll call your boyfriend. We'll set the love trap and see who he decides to send the flowers to, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Drop top Porsche, rollie on my wrist, diamonds up and down my chain. Cardi B straight stunning, can't tell me nothing. Bossed up and not changed again. He got all them girls shook, big fat. Got all them boys cook. Went from dollar bills, now we pop a band. You know, stand to me while I do my money dance. Like, flexing on the ground like, hit that little John, okay. Oh yeah, we jumping up and dancing, getting paid. Ooh, don't we look good together? There's a reason why they watch all night long. Yeah, I know we'll turn heads forever. Tonight I'm gonna show you off.
me, baby. 'Cause I love the way it feels when we cry. Yeah. Our connection's so magnetic on the floor. Nothing tonight. When I'm walking with you, I want the whole world. Baby, that's what you do. No, baby, don't play. Playing on my confidence. Oh, blaming all your measurements. Shoot you down on sight. That's right. Tripping up the mess. It don't make no sense. Finesse. You know it, you know it. Tripping up the mess. It don't make no sense. Tripping up the mess. You know it. Let's grab your ladies if your lady fine. She don't want Big Bay Mornings, home of the says that her boyfriend's been staying overnight in the city after work meetings, even though. So why isn't he just making the commute back home? Well, she's afraid that he might not be sleeping alone in San Francisco. We're gonna get to the truth right now.
Hello?
Good morning. May I please speak with Sean?
Yeah, this is Sean.
Hey Sean, my name is Chad, and I'm calling from Go With The Grow, and we are a brand new flower shop here in San Jose. How you doing this morning?
Yeah, I'm good. What's up?
Well, since we just opened, we're running a special right now, Sean, where we're giving away a free bouquet of flowers every single week. And
It's just for...
what's that?
You said it's just free?
Free flowers, and free delivery. We do same-day delivery here at Go With The Grow. So if you say yes to the offer, I'll have a beautiful bouquet of flowers delivered today for free.
Nice. Okay, and do I need, should I worry about any, extra charges or anything like that? Or, what are the offers for the flowers themselves?
Everything today, 100% free. It's just our way of saying hello, introducing ourselves to the neighborhood, and
Nice. Yeah, sure.
Sweet.
What were the kind of flowers were they?
It's just a spring bouquet. So we'll arrange a beautiful spring bouquet of flowers.
Okay, great.
Okay, cool. And then the other part of this, Sean, is I can send them to you, or I can send them to somebody else on your address in the Bay Area will do.
Yeah, you know what? Let's go ahead and just send them.
Okay, got that address. And am I addressing them to you or to someone else?
No, I'm gonna send them to Christy, and that's Christy.
All right, a beautiful spring bouquet of flowers going to Christy. I already have her address. I will attach a card with the flowers so Christy knows they're coming from you. Did you want to write something in the card?
Yeah, actually. Okay, here, put this. Just say I'm really excited about us, and then put.
Right. I'll make that really pop here.
Perfect.
Unfortunately, no flowers are going out to Christy today, though.